whatever our understanding of righteousness may be. Because we are all made
Gabi si Itlog, walang tiwala.
Bakit?
there is a basic
Sabi ko, wala akong
disposition
cash,
within
meron akong
us
Gcash.
to want to do the right thing as
Ayaw.
dictated by our consciences.
Tapos sabi, naghintay siya, siguro mga 2 minuto kasi may nagtitinda ako mo sa may
Of
bumili.
the fact that we are
Sabi
very
niya, tayo nakuha ka. Eh ano, gusto mo ba? Bigyan mo ako, bukas mo na kung sa akin. Wala ka naman kaming
Catechism
Gcash.
tells us that
Ba? Nag-isip.
since
Sige
the
tayo,
fall
next time
is
na lang.
able in this life
Walang iyak, alam mo, hindi
the
taga-kita.
commandments of God. There is not a day
Ayaw
when
ng
we do not
benta.
break God's commandments in thought, word, and deed.
Siguro lista, gusto pera lang.
Happily, there is an exception to this universal fallenness due to sin. The Catechism tells us that no mere man is able to keep God's commandments. However, there is one who has kept them
Sa
firm,
bahay.
and he is
Bigyan
known
natin.
Mamaya na, pag wala na.
the God-man, Jesus Christ,
Kung
who
wala
has
na.
kept God's law faithfully and perfectly. And he has done this as the second Adam who has come to redeem humanity, believing sinners from sin. The good news is that Jesus' perfect record of obedience to the Father also belongs to believers. Through our union with
Kamay
Christ
na
by
ang
faith,
pinagkukuha mo eh.
Jesus'
Ang
perfect
freestyle ng
righteousness
tatay mo.
for God's commandments become ours the moment that we put our trust in Him.
Kaya yun.
This is great news indeed because our union with
Alilis
Christ
nga yung mukha mo,
also
yung kamay
means
mo
that
madumi.
His Holy Spirit is now given to us in order to enable us to begin to keep God's commandments through faith. By God's grace, believers are empowered by the Holy Spirit to obey and to progress in Christ-likeness and holy
Maglalakad
living.
kami. May maglalakad tayo.
This program was brought to you
Oh,
by
oh,
Pilgrim
oh,
Community Church,
Ay,
a
kunin
confessional
ako.
Presbyterian church that
Tagal
meets
yata
in
yun.
Cubao, Quezon City.
Parang matagal yata. Kasi
Please visit
ginawa
our
yata
website,
ng grade 6, grade 5 gano'n.
pilgrimcommunity.church.
Nag-aayos sila, nakita namin.
Nag-ayos na. Nakita lang namin mga upuan.
The concert features pianist Corazon Pineda Caballao, cellist Donato Lucas, and violinist
Tawang bakit ko sa dyan wala.
Corazon Pineda Caballao is married to virtuoso violinist Lopez Caballao, with whom she has been preparing for decades. Dr. Lucas was the principal cellist of the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra and is president of the National Competition for Young
Wow.
Artists. The gala has twice won first place at Nancia and has played with various orchestras. 3 generations
Na
is
maglao?
on July 16th, Sunday, 4 p.m.
Ano
at the Weather
magagano?
Theater GSI's building, Pasay City. For tickets and inquiries, contact 0917-300-0755.
Kapay na kayo.
Pianist Yezha Michal Matsuyevsky returns to the Philippines